Allah gives life to the earth after it died, after the earth was dead. Allah compares your heart and mind to the dead earth. How does He give it life? He sends water from the sky. He sends water from the sky. How does He give my heart life? He sends Qur'an from the sky. How much love you and I are supposed to have for memorizing Qur'an? I can't even begin to tell you. The love we're supposed to have Allah's book in our hearts. How much love are we supposed to have to recite Qur'an in salat? Slowly, calmly, thinking about what we recited. How grateful we're supposed to feel that today you memorized one ayah of Qur'an, a treasure for which there is no equivalent on the face of this earth. The words of Allah that came from the highest sky are now sitting inside my chest. They were fi kitabim maknoon. They were in this hidden vault, up there in the seventh heaven, and now they're in this vault. That's a gift from Allah. I have just been connected to Allah by His words. How much it's supposed to mean to you and me. You know, I tell you, just like I can't thank Allah enough. The first time I started learning even a little bit of the Arabic language, just a little bit, and I could tell every other word something's going on, I was overwhelmed. You know, you stumble upon a treasure that you know you have no right. You're not qualified, you're not worthy to be in this treasure vault. And you get a glimpse of it inside, and you're like, oh. You and I should become overwhelmed in gratitude. Ya Rabbi, how many people don't even feel the need, they don't even know this treasure exists. And Allah is making the door for us to access it, for you and me to access it. اعلموا أن الله يحيي الأرض بعد موتها قد بينا لكم الآيات. We've clarified the signs to you, لعلكم تعقلون. So that y'all can understand. Next time you see rain, next time you see plants coming out, you remember what should happen to our iman. Every time rain comes, you should remember to recite Qur'an. That rizq came for the dead earth, and this Qur'an came for our dead hearts. إِنَّ الْمُصَّدِّقِينَ وَالْمُصَّدِّقَاتِ. Those who confirm the truth, and those who gave sadaqah, who gave and gave and gave, who proved the truthfulness of their faith by giving. وَالْمُصَّدِّقَاتِ. And those who gave from the women. وَأَقْرَضُوا اللَّهَ قَرْضًا حَسَنًا. And gave to Allah a beautiful loan. يُضَاعَفُ لَهُمْ. It'll be multiplied for them. وَلَهُمْ أَجْرٌ كَرِيمٌ. And they're going to have noble, gracious compensation. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا بِاللَّهِ وَرُسُلِهِ. And those who believed in Allah and His messengers. أُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الصِّدِّيقُونَ. Those are actually the ones who truly and in the most powerful way confirm the truth.